Hello guys, in this video we'll tell you how to fix when the Windows settings is not opening in Windows 10 or 11. But before we start the video guys, if you have any computer or software related problems, please feel free to contact us by visiting our website and using the submit a problem button from there. And comment down below on our videos about the problem, and don't worry, we'll make a video for you to resolve it. Number 1. Run the Windows update. For this, press the Windows plus I key to open the Windows settings. After this, from there, click on Update and Security. Then in the Update and Security window, click on Windows Update in the left hand side menu. Then from there, click on Check for Updates and let Windows search for any available updates and will automatically install them. After the updates are installed, just simply restart a computer and check if the function is working properly or not. Number 2. Run the System File Checker. For this, search for command prompt, right-click the top result and select the Run as Administrator option. Then from there, type the following commands to perform a quick fix on your PC. The command is sfc/scannow and be patient and wait till the scanning is complete. Number 3. Update the graphic drivers. For this, press the Windows plus R key to open the Run box. Then in the Run box, type devmgmt.msc and click OK to open Device Manager. Then in the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapters section. It will list all the graphic drivers installed on your computer. Then do the following for all of the drivers, like right-click on display driver and choose Uninstall driver. But make sure to uncheck the Delete the driver software for this device option in the pop-up if it shows up. Then go to the top menu in Device Manager and under the Access tab, just select Scan for hardware changes. The driver should appear back in the list. If it does not, don't worry. Just simply restart your PC and it will appear back. After that, right-click on display driver again and choose Update driver. And from there, select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will automatically scan for available driver updates and will download them. After that, again just restart your PC. If it didn't work, again right-click on display driver and choose Update driver. But this time select Browse my computer for driver software. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. After that, select the driver you want to install. Generally, it is a pre-selected top option in the list and just click Next. After that, just simply again restart the computer to apply the changes. If even that doesn't work, you can try going to a laptop or graphic manufacturer's official website and downloading the latest driver for a specific model from there. And then just simply install the drivers and again restart the PC to apply the changes. Number 4. Disable third-party antivirus. For this, right-click on Start button and from there select Apps and Features from the menu. Then locate your third-party security software in the list, click on it and just select Uninstall option. Number 5. Perform System Restore. For this, create a restore point in the Windows search bar. Then from there, click on System Restore under the System Protection tab. It will prompt you to select a certain date and open the restoring window. Note, if you previously created a restore point, you should utilize it. Otherwise, the computer will automatically display a recommended date for restoration. Then just simply click Finish to complete the process. The finishing time is a few minutes. When finished, your computer will automatically reboot. Number 6. Reset Windows Update components. For this, run the following commands one by one. After the commands, rename c/windows/software distribution.org and also rename c/windows/system32/c@root2.org and just simply again restart your computer. Number 7. Clean boot. For this, press the Windows plus R key to open the Run box. Then in the Run box, type msconfig and press Enter to open the System Configuration window. Then from there, go to the Services tab. Make sure to check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services option. Then click the Disable All button. Next, go to the Startup tab and click on Open Task Manager. Then in the Open Task Manager window, disable all the startup programs by right-clicking on each entry and selecting Disable option. After that, close the task manager and go back to the system configuration window, and from there click OK and just simply restart your computer. Number 8. Scan for viruses and malware. For this, type Windows Security in the Windows search bar. After that, in the Windows Security window, click on Virus and set protection. Then under current threats, click on Quick Scan to perform a basic scan. But for a more comprehensive scan, you can also choose Full Scan. After that, if any threats are detected, Windows Defender will automatically provide options to remove or quarantine them. So this was it for the video, guys. We hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did, then make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if it did not, then don't worry. Just comment down below the issue and we'll try to figure out what is wrong with your specific case. Thank you for watching.